Hello, welcome to Hello Word Power. My name is Ruth. Today, we're learning words in English that begin with the letter X. Capital X, small x. The letter X is the 24th letter of the English alphabet. X is a consonant. It makes the sound X. X. You try it. X. Correct. Are you ready to learn? Let's begin.
X-ray, X-ray. You say it. Repeat. That's right, X-ray. An X-ray is an invisible, high-energy beam of light that passes through solid objects. An X-ray is used to take pictures of your teeth, bones, and organs that are inside the body. The X-ray revealed the tumor in the man's body. X-ray. Xylophone, xylophone. You say it. Repeat. That's right, xylophone. A xylophone is a musical instrument with wooden bars of different lengths that are struck to give different tones. The musician plays the xylophone in the band. Xylophone.
Well done. You did very well today. Now, practice some of the new words you learned on Hello Word Power. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.